வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல். 10th Standard Science English Medium 1 mark question and answers. Lesson 17, Reproduction in Plants and Animals. Choose the correct answer. The plant which propagates with the help of its leaves is dash. Answer option D, Bryophyllum. Bryophyllum. The plant which propagates with the help of its leaves is Bryophyllum. Asexual reproduction takes place through budding in dash. Answer option B, yeast. Asexual reproduction takes place through budding in yeast. Syngamy results in the formation of dash. Syngamy results in the formation of dash. Answer option C, zygote. Syngamy results in the formation of zygote. The essential parts of a flower are dash. Answer option D, androecium and gynoecium. The essential parts of a flower are androecium and gynoecium. Anemophilous flowers have dash. Answer option D, large feathery stigma. Anemophilous flowers have large feathery stigma. Male gametes in angiosperms are formed by the division of dash. Answer option A, generative cell. Male gametes in angiosperms are formed by the division of generative cell. What is true of gametes? Answer option D, they are formed by gonads. They are formed from gonads. A single highly coiled tube where sperms are stored, get concentrated and mature is known as. Answer option A, epididymis. Epididymis. The large elongated cells that provide nutrition to developing sperms are. Answer option B, Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells. Estrogen is secreted by. Answer C, Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle. Which one of the following is an IUCD? Answer option A, copper T. Copper T. Fill in the blanks. The embryo sac in a typical dicot at the time of fertilization is dash. Answer 7-celled and 8 nuclei. The embryo sac in a typical dicot at the time of fertilization is 7-celled and 8 nuclei. After fertilization, the ovary develops into dash. Answer fruit. After fertilization, the ovary develops into fruit. Planaria reproduces asexually by dash. Answer regeneration. Planaria reproduces asexually by regeneration. Fertilization is thus in humans. Answer: internal. Fertilization is internal in humans. The implantation of the embryo occurs at about dash day of fertilization. Answer: 6th to 7th day of fertilization. 6 to 7 days of fertilization. Thus is the first secretion from the mammary gland after childbirth. Answer: colostrum. Colostrum is the first secretion from the mammary gland after childbirth. Prolactin is a hormone produced by dash. Answer: anterior pituitary. Prolactin is a hormone produced by anterior pituitary. Match the following. Here column 1 and column 2 are given. In column 1, fission, budding, fragmentation are given. In column 2, answers are shuffled. We have to match it correctly. Let us see the answer. Fission, amoeba. Fission, amoeba. Budding, yeast. Budding, yeast. Fragmentation, Spirogyra. Fragmentation, Spirogyra. Second, match the following. Match the following terms with their respective meanings. Here column A and column B are given. In column A, parturition, gestation, ovulation and implantation are given. In column B, answers are shuffled. We have to match it correctly. Let us see the answer. Parturition, delivery of baby from uterus. Parturition, delivery of baby from uterus. Gestation, duration between pregnancy and birth. Gestation, duration between pregnancy and birth. Ovulation, release of eggs from Graafian follicle. Release of egg from Graafian follicle. Implantation, attachment of zygote to endometrium. Implantation, attachment of zygote to endometrium. State whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statement. Stalk of the ovule is called pedicule. Answer: false. It is not pedicule, it is funiculus. The correct statement is stalk of the ovule is called funiculus. Seeds are the product of asexual reproduction. Answer: false. It is not asexual, it is sexual reproduction. So the correct statement is seeds are the product of sexual reproduction. Yeast reproduces asexually by means of multiple fission. Answer: false. It is not multiple fission, it is budding. So the correct statement is yeast reproduces asexually by means of budding. The part of the pistil which serves as a receptive structure for the pollen is called as style. Answer: false. It is not style, it is stigma. The correct statement is the part of the pistil which serves as a receptive structure for the pollen, is called as stigma. Insect pollinated flowers are characterized by dry and smooth pollen. Answer false. It is not insect pollinated flowers, it is wind pollinated flowers. So the correct statement is wind pollinated flowers are characterized by dry and smooth pollen. Sex organs produce gametes which are diploid. Answer false. It is not diploid, it is haploid. So the correct statement is sex organs produce gametes which are haploid. LH is secreted by the posterior pituitary. Answer false. It is not LH, it is oxytocin. So the correct statement is oxytocin is secreted by the posterior pituitary. Menstrual cycle ceases during pregnancy. Answer true. Menstrual cycle ceases during pregnancy. Surgical methods of contraception prevent gamete formation. Answer false. It is not gamete formation, it is entry of sperm. Correct statement is surgical methods of contraception prevent entry of sperm. The increased level of estrogen and progesterone is responsible for menstruation. Answer false. Not increased, it is decreased. The correct statement is the decreased level of estrogen and progesterone is responsible for menstruation. Thank you.